we are viewing a number of varieties of tomatoes which have been developed through a collaborative effort between Amstel Seed Company, San Diego Farm Supplies, and with our own input in terms of the maintenance of the field evaluation. We at Boodles are very pleased when we can have visitors from various segments of the community, from our various stakeholders to share with us in the activities that we are doing here.
First, let me describe the trial. Like Mr. Johnson mentioned, we have 33 varieties, and these varieties have been replicated twice. The first part of the trial has been trellised. So you have the opportunity to see how the variety performs under a trellis condition. The second half of the trial is ground culture, as you can tell. So you can compare how it does on trellis versus on ground. So why don't we can start at the top of the trellis. The numbers start at the very far south end, and then we can work this direction. This is Dr. Nichols. He is the breeder. I'm just the guy that talks too much. So he can describe the varieties to you if you have any questions or need any help. That's it, and there's actually not going to grow or produce anymore. So the crop is extremely limited. So we can use this as a standard as to what a non-resistant variety looks like. And then as you'll know throughout the trials, you'll find total resistance and some very high tolerance. Hybrid number 1, both in the trellis and the ground culture, is a check variety. It is a non-resistant variety, so it does show, it does show better tolerance than this variety. It's still stuck in still have assistance. No, we're not we're using those because if we have a lot of right. The control would be H1, hybrid 1. So the hybrids go H2, H3.
I'm certain that a number of members of the public and the stakeholders will be able to participate in this. I hope you have learned a lot from your visit here. I hope you will assist our partners in choosing the most desirable hybrids for commercialization, and as I said before, you're all welcome to share with us. We continue our partnership with RADA, where they can liaise with the farmers in the field, and the problems which are seen there can be brought on board so that we can seek to address them.
And number 1 in the ground culture. So just the 2 checks.
Varieties that we want to evaluate start with number 12, so this is number 1, so if you move down to number 12, I can start discussing that. Some of these have smaller fruit and just probably will not make it.
hands up to the